Behold, the Pampered Chef butter melter. Yes, you guys, I realize this is an egg cooker, but I am about to show you guys a hack that is literally gonna blow your mind. Plus, your microwave is gonna thank you. Frozen butter in the Pampered Chef egg cooker. Yes, you guys, I realize this is an egg cooker. After this video, you're gonna call it a butter melter too. Microwave for 45 seconds. Check the situation. Continue the process in 30-second increments. Doing this in 30-second increments is going to ensure that my lid will not pop off. Unless you want to pop your lid, you can go longer. See that? And there's no mess in my microwave, so butter melter.